Well, we took it in and we got the camera changed, the reversing camera, and so far, touch wood, we haven't had a problem with the reversing camera. It's just gone off, so that's all well and good now. So yeah, it looks like that guy's been waiting there as long for the camera to be done on his car. Yeah, so as you can see, the camera's fixed, the picture's pretty good, and it seems better. I think the pixels are a lot better. Maybe it's a more upgraded camera, I do not know, but as you can see, it seems to be working fine. Now, on the other matter, we got kind of a bit fobbed off with an excuse. The lack of power. The technician reckoned that it was water or vapour ingress into the rear brake. Well, the drum's on the back, and the car's only done 15,000 miles, so I can't see as that would be a problem. They reckon that there were a gasket at the back that he thought needed changing, although they never thought of that last time we took it in. So I googled it, and according to the AI and Google, it came up with the software update. Make sure your car is well updated, because it has something to do with the 12-volt battery and something to do with resetting some settings or something. So you put your foot down, there's nothing happens, and then all of a sudden, whoosh, you're gone, you're off. It's not done it since the major update when we took it in last time, and as far as I know, it's not done it. The wife's not reported it. She's had no problems with it. I've not seen anything happen with it, so I'm wondering if the update actually cured the problem that we were getting. And that really is about it for this. It's just a note, just to let you know, if you've not been watching, the reversing camera glitch was it kept flicking on and off when it was in reverse. And it was quite annoying. It only ever seemed to do it when you wanted it the most. And once you get used to a reversing camera, you really don't want to go back to keep looking at all the mirrors all the time. Well, I tend to glance the mirrors, you know, left, right and centre, as well as use the camera for precision, and that's about it really. Anyway, and on that, I shall say bye for now. Bye for now.